What is up, people? Today nandito kami sa Ormond Beach, Florida. Ayan, meron kaming fishing tournament dito, surf fishing tournament. Kaya naman, dinala ko ang buong family. Ayan, Marshall, si Ian, meron tayong clamshell, meron akong dalawang fishing poles doon. Ang dami ko na nahuling mga isda, pero maliliit lang. So, this is na pwedeng panglaban. So, yeah, here's Iya. What's up, baby? What you doing? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, vlogs. Welcome to my guys.
Hi, vlogs. Welcome to my guys.
So, ang aga namin nagpunta dito. 3:45 kami gumising para magpunta dito. And so far, ang ganda naman ng spot. Yo! Got a hit! Ayan, may kumagat sa line ni Jason. Ayan, nandito si Jason, si Alan Boy, si Jesse Boy, syempre ako. Ayan, nandito rin yung iba namin mga puting mga friendships. So, ayun, enjoy lang namin yung araw. Sabado ngayon. Kaya naman ang saya-saya ko. You know, Sabado kasama family, nagfi-fishing. Eh, ang tubig hindi na masyadong malamig ngayon. Eh, no, buti na lang. Ito yung talagang angler dito sa amin na magaling. Oh? Eh, no? Tingnan mo yan, laki niyan. Talaga, in-adjust na yung drag, oh. Ano wala? Hindi, ko to ha. Higpit ako ng konti itong line mo. Ano na, slack. Baka may isda. Wala. Okay na? Ano, pre?
One whiting.
One whiting? 12 inch lang sa akin. Fog's coming in. Hopefully that's not rain. Alright. Manghuli na kayo ng panglaban. So, ang kailangan naming mahuli is mga whiting, pompano, tsaka bluefish. Ang first place is $500. Second place is $300. Third place is like, I don't know. Pero yeah, nag-i-start siya sa 500. Caught a gooder, better sized pump. We need to measure him.
Keeper na yan.
Alright, so finally we got a better sized pompano here, but I don't know if this is a keeper. It's still a small pompano, but it's way better than what we've been catching. It needs to be 11 inches to the fork, I think. Yo! Hey Jesse! What size it needs to be? To the fork? Not even close. 11 inches to the fork. Alright, so the minimum is, it needs to be 11 inches to the fork. This is 9.5. Almost 10. Alright. Okay. Today's your lucky day. We're going back to the water. Nice little pump. It's getting better though. This is the best one today so far. Alright. Put you back in the deeper water. Bye-bye. Alright, let's rebait. Some nice little shrimpy. See. Right there. Right there. I don't like that spot, but hey, it landed there, so it meant to be there. Alright, now let's catch a big pump or a big whiting. Alright, off cam, but finally I got me a fish that I can use for the tournament. A bluefish. Good sized bluefish. Finally. I couldn't find my GoPro when this thing started pulling my line. Whew. Blue, baby! What do you think? Fork, right? 17. What you think? Bluefish. Cut whiting.
Cut whiting yan?
No, yeah, cut whiting. Start cutting some whitings. This is the first bluefish I caught. Oh, well, I mean not whiting, the spot. Here we go. Nice little 17-inch bluefish. Real nice. I'm gonna put this in the cooler, and we're gonna, you know, go to competition, and hopefully we win some money out of this. At dahil may huli na tayo, mangapit bahay muna tayo. Ayan, so, naiwan ni Jessie yung butane, yung gagamitin sana namin na pang-init ng tubig, ng ulam. Pero ayun, wala kami pang-init ng ulam. So, ang ginawa namin, rice cooker. Ano ba? Nasaan na yung huli mo?
Ha?
Magyayabang na ako eh. Meron na akong entry eh.
Meron ako doon.
Meron ba?
Pakita mo.
Patingin nga.
Pakita mo yung blue.
Nasaan? Ayun oh. Ayun pala oh. Ayun. Ayos. Meron ba? Wala naman eh. Alright, so ginawa nating pang-init ng ulam ay yung rice cooker. Ayan. Di ba? Gamit itong Egritech battery na padala sa atin ng Egritech. Di ba? Ayos na ayos yan. So, ayun. Maya-maya, tubog na tayo. And hopefully makahuli pa tayo ng fish da. Caught a big bluefish. It's a big one. Where's Marshall at? Oh, he's in the bathroom.
Yeah.
He's doing the poo-poo. Marshall! Did you pee-pee? Did you pee-pee? Huh? Okay, it's time to eat lunch, baby. Go to mommy. Alright, it's turning to be a good day. Ayos. Saan makahuli pa? Uy, thank you.
Hindi ka lang, walang ulam.
Walang ulam? Walang ulam ka dyan. Ako nagluto niyang ano na yan eh. Ako pa walang ulam.
Ano ba yan, Mark?
Oo naman, pre. Alam kong magpi-fishing tayo eh.
Wala ko si Shelo nagluto.
Naglolo ko kayo niyan.
Hold on, let me get your food. Hold on. Marshall!
Marshall, listen to mama now, please. You know. Bicol Super Express. Come here, baby. Here.
Hindi yan, huwag yung langhangin.
Hindi, pwede yan.
No.
Kaya niya yan. Gusto niya yan eh.
Nope.
You wanna try? Oh.
Baka
Oh.
maniya,
Oh. Gusto nga niya kasi sinubukan ko na sa kanina eh. He likes it. Hindi mo maanghang. Alright. Back to fishing, I guess. Got one. Got another one. It is fighting like a blue. This might be a big blue or a shark, maybe. Another blue. It's not as big as my first blue, but that's a blue. Okay, we got another bluefish. All right. Oh, he's unhooked. Yeah, I'm gonna have to measure this. I'm gonna keep these blues no matter what. I can use this as a shark bait. Ayun, nangangagat oh. Oh man, relax, dude. It's about 14 and a half inches. 14. My other blue is way bigger than this, but we're gonna keep it. Let's keep it. Let's keep it for shark bait, or maybe I can probably turn this to an actual blue bait. All right, another blue going in the cooler. Nice. Let's keep at it. Ayos. Okay, kailangan ko ng mas malaki pang blue. Medyo mas maliit yun sa una kong nahuli. Tara, huli pa tayo. Busy kayo ah. Si Marshall busy ah. Let me have some of that, boy. Give me some of that, boy. Shrimp flavor na yan. Pringles mo. Lakas pa rin ng alone. So, nakakadalawang fish daan na ako na pwedeng isali sa entry. Hindi ko alam kung na-video ko na. Dalawa kasing video ginagawa ko eh. Isa sa fishing channel, isa dito. So, kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa fishing channel ko, baka naman. Please lang po. Anyway, ito yung whiting na nahuli natin. So ito, bluefish, whiting, isa na lang, pampano, makahuli tayong malaki-laking pampano or mas malaki pa sa kanila, mas maganda. Pero so far, I'm happy. Wala masyadong nahuhuli dito. So, ako pa lang yata yung may nahuli na medyo decent. Can't complain. Busog na kami. relax habang nag-fish. May chance pang manalo. O, diba? Saan ka pa? Alright. May kumakagat ba? Hindi, alon lang yan. Alon lang yan, oh. Okay. He is having fun with JJ. You know, laro-laro lang sila doon. And buti hindi masyadong tumaas yung tubig kanina dito. So, ayan. Pagka kailangan namin jumingil at jumerbox, meron tayong CR dito. Ayan, mini CR. Pagka mga inaantok na mga bata, pwedeng malog 2. Pag inaantok na ang ating mga friendship, pwedeng matulog. Ayan. Ayos. Sarap dito. So, ayun nga. Please, subscribe kayo dun sa YouTube channel ko. Fishing YouTube channel. I think I got like 115 subscribers dun sa channel na yun. So, yung fishing part nito, of course, doon kaya upload. Di ba? Baka naman. Nandito kami sa tapat ng mga beach houses. Ayan, no? Sana all sa tapat ng beach nakatira. Ayan, no? Kita nyo naman. No? Ayos. Ayos na ayos. So far, ang ganda ng araw. Ito yung beach cart ko. Ayan, no? Di ba? Meron tayong balloon tires. Pero ito talaga maganda. Ayan, no? Tapat ng beach ang bahay. Saan ka pa? Pwede ka mag-fishing everyday if you want, di ba? Fishing, fishing. Saan na ba yung malaking isda na yung kasi? Kailangan ko lang ng isang malaking isda. Isa lang. Kahit isang mas malaking bluefish, mas malaking whiting, or mas malaking pompano. Ito na yun. Ito na yung cast na yun. Let's get it. Dito. Mukhang fishy dito eh. Naaamoy ko sila dito eh. Huh? Dito lang sa malapit. Ayos ba? Ganun lang, tinan nyo. Makakahuli tayo ng malaki. Nilapitan ko lang. Nilapitan lang natin yung kaste. Sigurado nandiyan lang sila sa malapit. Pag wala sa malayo, nasa malapit. Sabi nga nila may isda raw sa tubig. Okay. Paano nalalaman ng isda kapag umuulan? Alam niyo yun? Kasi basa yung tubig. Paano yun? Hintay lang tayo. Diba? Sabi sa inyo, malapit lang eh. Nandiyan lang oh. Nandiyan lang siya oh. Catfish again. Okay. Isa pa. Huli-uli tayo. Sana hindi na catfish. Sana pompano naman. Let's get it. Yun, no? Ganon. Ganon lang. Ayun, no? Ayun, sinasabi ko. Ayun. This one is better. This one should... you know what? Don't be a kitty again. It feels like a blue. Feels like a blue. Ooh, it's heavy. Medyo mabigat. Ano kaya to? Ano kaya ito? B.O. Whiting. Maliit lang to. Mahirap lang i-reel in kasi ang bigat ng sinker ko. 5 ounce. Tapos may mga spike pa. So ayun, para mabigat. Come on, don't be a catfish again. You got to be kidding me. Another catfish. There's no way. Okay. You get the joke? You got to be kidding me. A little kitty. Okay. Di tayo susuko. Cast ulit tayo. Okay, so wala nang kumakagat na fish da. And alam ko na hindi mananalo yung isda ko. So hindi ako masyado mag-hope. Di ba, Iya? Ito, itim na, oh. You having fun, baby? Yeah, alright. As long as the kids are having fun. Hindi ko alam kung may nahuli na si Jessie na malaki-laki. Si Jason, malaki yung whiting na nahuli niya. Pero si Jessie, hindi ko alam. So maybe mga 1:30, pack up na kami. And baka diretso uwi na lang kami kasi Siguradong may mga nakahuli ng malalaki today. Okay sana yung spot namin kanina. Kanina, okay. Kaya lang puro maliliit. Hindi ko nadali yung malalaki. So, it's totally fine. You know, first time ko lang naman to. And ayun nga, yung mga kids nag-i-enjoy naman. Si Marshall, antok na antok, oh. Go to sleep, Marshall. Leave Ate alone. Alright, uwi na. Alright, so dahil minotivate nila ako na sumali sa weigh-in, sila Alan, si Jason, tsaka si Jesse, i-weigh-in natin yung isda. Tingnan natin kung may mapapanalunan tayo. Alam mo yon? Ayoko umasa pero sayang naman, nandito na, di ba? Let's get it. Alright, so here's my little bluefish. Let me measure how long it is. How long?
You need to measure?
Oh, yeah, almost 18 inches. Almost 18 inches. So, everybody told me I need to go there. And there's a lot of bikes out here. I need to go over there and, you know, at least try. We'll try it. Now that's a big bluefish. It is definitely time to go home. Time to go home. We tried.
I got the bigger one, yeah.
Yep. Those are massive bluefish. All right. Time to go home.
Tomorrow.
Marshall, let's go home. No, we gotta go home, baby. What you got there? What you got?
Stay here.
You wanna stay here? Okay, what are these? You got some rainbow trouts? No? What are these? Let's go home, baby. We gotta go. No, we're not staying here. We stayed here all night already. We gotta go. So, dito na kami nakitulog kila paring Jesse kasi ayun, nagstay kami kagabi para dun sa mga raffle na ginawa nila. Wala naman kami napanalunan. So, ayun nga. You okay? Hiyang-hiya naman kami dun sa mga isda na pina-entry namin. Dahil yun, nung una, pagdating ko dun, na-realize ko na, baka mag-5th pa ako, 5th place. And then nagsidatingan yung mga lalaking may mga daladalang isda na hindi ko alam kung paano nila nahuli yun. Ang hinala namin is baka gumamit sila ng boat. Kasi yung mga ganong kalalaking bluefish, mahuhuli mo sa beach, ay nako. Maybe nahuli na sa mga jetties, mga ganyan. Sa mga pier. Pero ang tournament, yung derby na yun is surf fishing. Surf fishing lang and ayun, marami nag-iisip doon na, ayun nga, baka gumamit sila ng boat. Pero okay lang naman, you know. Ganun talaga pagtalo. Pagtalo kami, of course, nandaya yung kalaban. But first time ko lang gawin yun, yung fishing tournament or derby na yun. Next time, ang gusto kong salihan, kayak fishing tournament naman. Maraming ganun dito. So, ayun, liligpit na kami dito and si paring Jesse tulog pa. Iiwanan na lang namin siya habang natutulog siya. Kasi, anong oras na? 7:30 na. Nag-enjoy naman yung mga bata, kaya naman sulit pa rin. Nag-enjoy, ang sakit ng katawan ko. 8 hours akong hindi umupo nung nag-fishing kami. Ganun katindi ang surf fishing. Pag nag-surf fishing ka, talagang, you know, active na active ka sa mga pinaggagawa mo, di ba? You wanna go fishing again? You wanna go fishing, son?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Fishing pa raw kami ulit. Pero baka bukas na lang. Sabi nyo, maganda dun sa spot. Oh, no! Sabi nyo, napakaganda sa spot. Anong nangyari kahapon?
Damn, son!
Ha?
Si Jason po kasi, mapilit.
Si Jason ba may kasalanan? Sabi nyo, napakaganda eh. Ha?
Siya mapilit kasi siya pala mananalo.
Eto, may nalalaman ka pang mortician rig? Puro catfish na huli ko. Ang lalaki ah. Ubus yung rig natin. Ito nga pala yung mga ginagawa niyang rig. Yan. Soon magbebenta na kami ng rig. Kita nyo naman. Ganda ng huli namin. So nandito na kami sa bahay. Hindi na namin video yung pauwi kasi mga natulog na yung mga bata. And pagka-uwi namin, naisipan ni Cheryl na mag-crabbing. Kaya nag-crabbing kami. So next time gagawa ako ng crabbing vlog para naman makita nyo kung paano namin hinuhuli itong mga crab na ganito. Ayan o. Oh. Ayan o. Di ba? At dahil nag-crabbing kami, syempre, crab ang ulam natin ngayon. Di ba? Tingnan mo naman, So next time, iba-vlog namin yung pagka-crabbing namin. Malapit lang, dito lang sa river sa amin. And for some reason, malalaki sila ngayon. So I guess tapusin na natin to bago pa kayong matakam. Di ba? Alright, that's alright. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At lagi yung tatandaan mga Earth, love, peace, and happiness lang. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.